Hi everyone! In this exercise, we will show you how to create mosaic and composite images from an image collection. In the end, we will also show you how to clip images to a specific area in Earth Engine. After filtering an image collection, which is a mandatory step whenever you want to do any analysis related to image collection in Earth Engine, so we know how to filter an image collection by date, geometry bound, and cloud cover. The next method is by mosaicing. A mosaic is a combination or assembly of two or more images. Some editors consider it a part of filtering an image collection, and some may only use it to spatially combine two images. So, before moving towards our topic, I want to introduce you some new codes which may be useful to you in further analysis. As you can see in Map Viewer, Pakistan boundary is highlighted. That is because I have imported Pakistan boundary feature into my script using ee.feature collection. For this, go to the search panel and type large scale international boundary polygons, simplified. Open the dataset and copy the code snippet. This dataset is basically polygons of world countries by United States. So, paste the code into your variable named as countries. Then to extract polygon of a specific country, introduce a new variable. I will go with Pak, which is a short for Pakistan. And then I will add a filter to my countries variable called as ee.filter.eq. This filter allows to extract countries by name. Type country_NA in single quote, which is the name of country attribute, and then type the name of any country you want to import into the single quote. I will type Pakistan. Now, simply add your Pak variable into the map using map.addLayer. Hit run. As you can see, Pakistan's boundary has been imported into the map viewer. To change your country, simply type the country name here into this part of the code. Now, the next thing I want to show you is to fix the zoom level of your map viewer according to your object using map.centerObject. It will fix map zoom level around your object into the parentheses whenever you want to run your script. I will add Pak variable here because I want to fix zoom level around my country. Now, moving on towards our topic, to mosaic image collection or images into a single image. First, import image collection using previous filters. I will simply paste the code from our previous video, in which we imported Sentinel-2 collection and applied filters on it. Let us comment the previous codes because we don't need them here, and change our map center object to our study area, which is variable as geometry, like this, because we are working on a specific location. Now, to check how many images do we have in our collection, simply type print, name of your variable, and then .size. It will give you the total number of images available in this collection into your particular area and time period. Hit run. As you can see, we have 29 images in our collection. Visualizing each one of these images is a time-taking process, and sometimes there are more than one image suitable to your analysis. So, to make a perfectly pixeled image, you need to use Mosaic. It will make a single image out of all these 29 images. So now, let us spatially mosaic our collection. Introduce a new variable with the name Mosaic S2 and add to your collection, which is S2, and simply type .mosaic brackets. Now, add visual parameters. I will paste them for our previous video like this, and then display your mosaiced image into the viewer by using map.addLayer. Add layer. Hit run. As you can see, we have mosaiced all scenes from our Sentinel-2 collection into one. Okay, you may not find any difference when you print your collection without mosaicing, because the default algorithm of Earth Engine implicitly creates a mosaic with the newest pixel on top, which will only show you all the scenes into the viewer, but they were not to be converted into a single image. That is why, to export and perform analysis on your collection, you should mosaic to convert it into a single image. You can also create mosaic of specific images, like sometimes you may have half or pixelated images for an area. You can combine them to create a single image for better visualization using .mosaic. For this, add any two images from S2 collection. I will add image number 28 and 26 from the metadata, and then, as you can see here, I have changed the band sequence to natural colors for image 28 and shortwave infrared for image 26. Display both images into the map using map.addLayer and hit run. As you can see, the image 1 is covering half side of the study area and image 2 is covering another half. That is why we use mosaic here. So, introduce a new variable with the name mosaic and then into image collection. Combine both image 1 and 2 under square brackets, and in the next chunk of code, type .mosaic. Display it using map.addLayer and then hit run. Here you go, mosaic of specified images. Now, moving towards next section of the video. What is composites? In general, compositing refers to the process of combining spatially overlapping images into a single image based on statistical functions, and mosaicing refers to the process of spatially assembling image datasets to produce a spatially continuous image. In Earth Engine, these terms are used interchangeably. Composites are basically reducing an image collection and generating a single image from the entire collection using a function called as reducer. It will aggregate the whole collection using statistics like mean, median, or maximum pixel value, because output of an image in Earth Engine is computed pixel-wise, and then it will generate a new image based on the value we want to extract. Reducers can be used on entire collection and on single image. Both have different methods. In today's video, I will explain reducers for image collection because we are generating composite of entire collection. So, let us create composite for Sentinel-2 collection. First, let me comment my mosaic code section to prevent any confusion and simply work on composite like this. Now import Sentinel-2 collection. Apply filters. I will use the same geometry bound and date filter, like previous one. This time I will increase the cloud cover to 70. For more images into the collection, now print it using print function. As you can see, we have 29 images of this area into the console. Let us apply reducer to create a composite. For this, introduce a new variable with the name RI, short for reduced image, and then add our collection name, which is Sentinel. And then, to reduce and create a single image from this collection, we will use .reduce function. In the brackets, we will add additional argument of the statistic reducer, like mean, max, and median. I will use median. Print it. Now we can see in the console that a single image is created by calculating the median of pixel values with 23 bands. Expand each band to explore more, like its maximum and minimum value. Now, let us add this image to the map. Hit run. One thing to notice is that if you guys use the same visual parameters for a reduced image, it will give an error like this, because this image is not selected from the collection. It is generated by all the images combined and has bands with different names like me1_median. So we have to add these band names into the visual parameters. For natural color, use same band combination of Sentinel, that is, B4, B3, and B2. But just add underscore median after each band. And for shortwave infrared combination, you can use band B12 underscore median, B8 underscore median, and B4 underscore median. Combine both variables into map dot add layer and display it on the map. Hit run. Here you have a single image created from an entire collection. You can also create composite by simply adding any static function after your collection variable, like this, using dot median. By printing it, you can see it gives simple band names, which means in visual parameters you will add B12, B8, and B4 only. Display it on the map. It is the same composite as the previous one. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.